Alright, y'all. Right now, currently making our way down there. Not gonna try to fish it. I think it's probably flowing a little too fast to try and fish it with this board. I'm just gonna get fucking drug. But yeah, I drove over it earlier today and I was like, bro, I gotta go and see what this little creek's all about. Shit, look at the current, man. The current's fucking moving. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know how I'm gonna get in there, because it's like a 4-foot drop from the concrete to the water. But we're gonna make it work. Well, fellas, as it turns out, it's actually pretty difficult to fucking paddle upstream. Yeah, not the easiest thing to do. I need to get a new paddle. I want to get one that's got like double, like 2 paddles on it, you know? Like that they come, what? The ones that they use on fucking kayaks. Where they just like, you know what I mean? Anyways, at least it's pretty out here, you know? I mean, hopefully we won't see another gator. I do want to see another gator. That was cool as shit. But, just out here, man, living life.